Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we dive into what could be a groundbreaking release from DJI at CES 2025. Rumors are swirling about an exciting new product, a compact drone allegedly named the DJI Flip. With information from credible sources such as the U.S. Federal Communications Commission, FCC, speculation is reaching a fever pitch. Let's explore what we know so far, including how the DJI Flip might revolutionize the drone market, how it compares to existing models like the DJI Neo and Avatar 2, and what this means for drone enthusiasts. What is the DJI Flip? The DJI Flip is rumored to be a compact, portable drone aimed at safety and ease of use, especially for beginner pilots. Early design sketches highlight features like propeller guards, which reduce risks during collisions and improve maneuverability in tight spaces. Unlike the DJI Neo, which emphasizes immersive FPV, first-person view, experiences, the Flip might opt for a more traditional controller setup. This design choice could make it more accessible to a broader audience, even though it may not cater to dedicated FPV enthusiasts. FCC filings fuel speculation. FCC filings reveal that the DJI Flip has already been certified for sale in the United States. This crucial step usually signals that a product is nearing its official launch. The certifications lend credibility to the rumors of a CES 2025 debut. With these developments, it's clear that DJI is serious about introducing this new product to the market sooner rather than later. Key features and upgrades. 1. Improved battery life. The DJI Flip is rumored to feature a 3,110 mAh battery, a noticeable upgrade from the DJI Neo's smaller power unit. This enhancement could extend flight times to 20 minutes or more, compared to the Neo's range of 15 to 18 minutes. Longer flight times are a game-changer for drone users, allowing for extended filming sessions, broader area exploration, and fewer interruptions for recharging. 2. Enhanced camera system. While details about the Flip's camera remain scarce, it's expected to outperform the Neo's 4K camera with a single-axis gimbal. Speculation includes higher resolution sensors, multi-axis stabilization, and improved image quality. Positioned as a mid-range option in DJI's lineup, the Flip could deliver a more versatile camera system, appealing to hobbyists and semi-professional creators alike. 3. Customizable flying experience. Another rumored feature is the inclusion of advanced flight modes. While the Neo offers beginner-friendly capabilities like palm-based takeoff, the Flip could add features for executing complex flight patterns and capturing cinematic shots. This would make it an attractive option for users who want more control over their drone's movements. 4. Portability and design. Portability has always been a strong selling point for DJI's compact drones. The Flip is expected to maintain this tradition with a lightweight and travel-friendly design. Although its larger battery might slightly increase its weight, the drone is likely to remain highly portable, making it ideal for on-the-go users. How does it compare to the DJI Neo and Avatar 2? The DJI Flip appears to fill a gap between the Neo and the Avatar 2. The Neo is an entry-level drone geared toward beginners, while the Avatar 2 targets high-end FPV enthusiasts. By offering extended battery life, improved camera capabilities, and customizable features, the Flip could position itself as a versatile mid-range option. With a flight time potentially rivaling the Avatar 2's 23 minutes, the Flip could appeal to users looking for a balance of performance and affordability. Potential challenges and pricing. While the DJI Flip's rumored features are impressive, its success will depend heavily on its price point. DJI will need to strike a delicate balance, offering premium features without pricing itself out of the mid-range market. If the Flip can deliver exceptional value, it could become a popular choice among drone enthusiasts. DJI Mavic 4 Pro, another highly anticipated release. In addition to the DJI Flip, the Mavic 4 Pro is generating significant buzz. As DJI's next flagship drone, it promises to push the boundaries of aerial imaging and usability. Leaked FCC filings and early images suggest that the Mavic 4 Pro is just weeks away from launch. Let's examine what sets it apart. 1. Dual models for different audiences. The FCC filings reveal two models labeled L3A and L3B. This dual model strategy could target both professional filmmakers and hobbyists, offering advanced tools for the former and a more streamlined version for the latter. 2. Next-level battery performance. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to feature a 6,654 mAh battery, a significant upgrade from the Mavic 3 Pro's 5,000 mAh capacity. This increase in battery power suggests extended flight times and improved performance, catering to users with demanding requirements like aerial photography and surveying. 3. Revolutionary camera technology. Early images hint at a spherical camera module, a departure from the Mavic 3 Pro's triple camera setup. This new design could incorporate multi-sensor technology for enhanced image quality, stabilization, and scene recognition. There's also speculation about 8K video recording at 60 frames per second, along with advanced AI-driven features for subject tracking and low-light performance. 4. Enhanced heat management and AI features. Improved heat management systems and upgraded AI capabilities are expected to make the Mavic 4 Pro a powerhouse for professional videographers. Features like obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight modes could see significant improvements, providing smoother and more autonomous flight experiences. Why CES 2025 matters. CES 2025 is shaping up to be a landmark event for DJI. The simultaneous rumors about the DJI Flip and Mavic 4 Pro highlight the company's commitment to innovation and market leadership. Whether it's through compact, beginner-friendly drones like the Flip or high-performance flagships like the Mavic 4 Pro, DJI continues to set industry standards. As the drone community eagerly awaits CES 2025, the excitement around the DJI Flip and Mavic 4 Pro is palpable. Both products have the potential to redefine their respective categories, offering a mix of cutting-edge features, improved performance, and user-friendly designs. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a professional, there's something in DJI's lineup to look forward to. Stay tuned for more updates as we cover the latest developments in drone technology. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Are you more excited about the DJI Flip or the Mavic 4 Pro? Let's discuss the future of drones together. Thank you for watching, and as always, welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future.